your brother home?
No. I mean, he's probably at the meet.
He said, "Fuck that nigga."
But I told him about this meet and stuff, and I showed him a video that it was packed and stuff. So I don't. Hopefully he comes, but if not, then he's probably at the wings.
That wing shit.
Yeah. This is one of my homies. What's up, Martin?
Yo, what's up?
Sheesh.
I got the R33.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's all I gotta say.
JDM, yo. He gonna RB26 twin turbo swap that shit.
I'm gonna do RB25. It's cheaper.
Sheesh.
Twin turbo though.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Tune it a little bit.
Yeah. But this video is gonna be for the YouTube, you know what I'm saying?
I saw your YouTube channel. That shit flames.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
Make me famous. No, like, make me famous.
Oh, I got like 47 subscribers.
Oh, bro?
Yeah.
That's enough. That's enough. That's enough for me.
It's enough, yeah. I'm trying to build it, hopefully.
Wait. What the hell?
Shit's finna be bad.
I go for the Z. All the way. I go for the Z. All the way.
All the way.
Yeah, all the way.
All the way.
That's the home. That's the home.
It's the home. Fucking Z! Fuck yeah! What'd you say? Z! Yeah? Z! Fuck no, nigga! Get the fuck out of here!
Z all the way, a la verga.
Z all
Mira,
the way.
perro. Pinche Z a la verga, nigga. Y'all heard from the crowd. Looks like the Z1.
Yeah! Z! The Z1? Yeah, let's go!
I'm telling you, Z
Yeah?
always wins.
The Z always wins?
Can't say no to Z ever.
Yeah?
Hey, tell them to go get everyone.
That transmission just fucked.
Fuck. I don't know what noise that was coming from. Was
That's
it
just transmission.
was it coming from the Z or the
Yeah.
Nissan?
I think the Z.
Fuck.
Fuck it though, I still go for Z. Fuck y'all.
Jeez, Z all the way?
Z all the way, loyal.
Yeah.
That's my baby brother.
It's your baby brother?
Yes, I'm Godzilla and that's King Kong.
Hell yeah. Shit, that was fire.
Give me your autograph.
Give you an autograph.
Come on, John.
Oh, hey, Chino's over here. What's good, bro? How's it going, guys? What's up? What's up? This is one of my
famous
homies.
now.
This is my homie, Chino.
Oh my gosh.
And that's my other homie.
Sorry.
Hi, guy. How you doing? Introduce yourself. He loves milk.
I'm the milk fucker. That's what
He's
I
the
am.
milk fucker.
That's what I am. I'm the fucking milk fucker.
Bro, you gotta catch that
Send it
thing.
my way. Where the single moms at? Shit.
Yo.
Yeah, what the?